Today's recipe is a very quick, very simple and very easy salad, best for summers. The name you may ask? Crispy rice salad. Let's begin. The hero ingredient of this recipe is of course the crispy rice. Now how do you make the crispy rice? You can make it in various ways. Traditionally, this is a recipe from Lao, the region, and this kind of is popular in and around Lao and very skimpily also available in Southeast Asia. The essence of this recipe is to cook the rice, pat it dry completely, and then you literally marinate this with oil and a couple of spices. Now, if you can lay your hands on red curry paste, you can take the red curry paste, you can take some oil, some kaffir lime, you mix all of this, make a little bit of a paste together and run it into the cooked rice, and then you bake this or deep fry this. Well, I personally prefer baking this. 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius is perfect to make this nice, crisp and dry. What I do is I use flavoured oil. So in the oil, I add in red chilli, I add in the curry paste, I add in the kaffir lime, lemongrass, galangal, and I flavor the oil and I add in that oil into this, and then I microwave this literally for 6 minutes. So that long recipe suddenly shortens. Let's see how. Steamed rice in a bowl. This of course is drained and cooled down completely. Let's add in our flavoured red chilli oil. This is flavoured with Thai herbs and spices. To this, freshly grated coconut and a touch of salt. Let's mix this well. Let's transfer the rice on a microwave friendly plate and microwave this for 6 minutes. I have the flavoured crispy rice, like I said, ready with me, and the one that I had made is actually getting done in the microwave. But let's quickly jump and start making the recipe. Let's begin with our flavoured crispy rice in a tossing bowl. Add in a sliced cucumber and juliennes of red onions. Let's add in a couple of fresh mint leaves, literally hand torn like so. Along with this, some red chilies which are fried and kept ready. Just crushing this like so for some additional flavor. Let's grate in some lemon for its fresh zest. With this, let's also add in some lemon juice, a touch of dark soy sauce, roasted, peeled and crushed peanuts for that wonderful nuttiness in the summer salad, and along with this, some cherry tomatoes. Let's toss this well, because ideally at this stage, the traditional salad is done and ready. Let's make this even more colorful and add in some vegetables, beginning with thinly cut red cabbage, spring greens and bell peppers. Let's finally add in a touch of salt. Let's toss this well. And with this, your crispy rice salad is done and ready. Let's now assemble this in a bowl-like plate lined with some lettuce. Let's add in flavoured crispy rice. Finally, let's garnish this with some more crushed peanuts, some spring greens, and last but not the least, a couple of fried red chilies. With this, ladies and gentlemen, your crisp, stunning, colourful, nutritious, brunchy, summery salad is done and ready. The name, if I may repeat, crispy rice salad. You know, when I do my regular trips to the southeast of Asia, I make breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner out of this wonder bowl called the crispy rice salad. Make this for family and friends and let me know in the comment section what their reaction to this extremely unique salad was. Bye for now.